So, where are you from? Tell my subscribers.
I am from Switzerland. Apa kabar?
Apa kabar? Okay.
Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi. What's your favorite Indonesian food so far?
My favorite Indonesian food is...
Ta-da!
Wow, it smells very sweet.
It smells sweet?
I think so.
No. Go, Lara, try it. Okay, so because you're done eating, I will tell you the secret.
Okay.
After you are done eating the durian,
Yeah.
then
Halo semua, apa kabar?
semoga semua baik-baik aja ya. Nah, hari ini Mbak Tina Bula dan teman saya Lara dari Switzerland mau apain ya kita hari ini? Kalau pengen tahu harus nonton video ini ya. Tapi sebelum nonton jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan loncengnya juga ya. Yuk kita mulai. Mbak Tina Bula's Adventure. Nah, so Lara, how are you today?
Thank you, I'm fine, and you?
I'm very good too. So, where are you from? Tell my subscribers.
I am from Switzerland.
Switzerland?
Yes.
How is Switzerland now? Cold?
Yeah, it's very cold.
Very
It's
cold.
winter time.
We have same in Romania.
Yes.
I'm from Romania, she's from Switzerland, far from each other, but still Europe. Dinginnya sama. Very cold, yeah?
Yeah.
So, how do you like Indonesia so far?
Oh, I love Indonesia. I love to stay here. The people are so kindly, always smiling. So it's much more different than from Switzerland.
Yeah, I know, right? Nah, jadi dari tadi Lara ceritain di Indonesia dia juga suka banget. But for how long, like, do you know Indonesia? Like,
I know Indonesia since 2004.
oh, 2004.
2004. I've been here with my family the first time, just for holiday.
Where?
In Bali.
In Bali. Wow, luar biasa tadi. How old were you back then? Little, yeah?
Yeah, I was kid.
So nice.
Since from there, I love Indonesia and come every year back.
Luar biasa dong. Jadi dia dari kecil, dari ya waktu masih kecil, masih anak, dia datang setiap tahun sama keluarga dia di Bali liburan. Dan dari waktu itu 2004 dia setiap tahun datang ke Indonesia pasti. Dan and we also know each other since when 2016?
Yes.
2016. Jadi kita ya pertama ketemu 2016. Kita jadi teman dari waktu itu udah sebentar lagi 4 tahun. Karena dia juga seperti orang Indonesia asli, dia ramah banget, baik. So I don't know if you understand or not what I just said. I said that you are already like a real Indonesian also because you are so kind and so positive all the time.
I know a bit bahasa, basics.
What do you know?
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar? Okay, you
Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi. What if you wanna say you're hungry?
Saya lapar.
Okay. Amazing. And what's your favorite Indonesian food so far?
My favorite Indonesian food is nasi kuning.
Nasi kuning.
Nasi kuning.
Nasi kuning. Oke, enggak banyak bule yang suka nasi kuning karena rasanya unik juga. So yeah, wow, amazing. Nasi kuning with what? Only nasi kuning?
Yes, nasi kuning, nasi goreng, mie goreng.
Okay, Lara.
Yeah.
But today I have a very big surprise for you.
Really?
Yes.
I'm so excited.
I don't know if you will be after you see it. Okay, so I will go bring our surprise. I mean your surprise. Okay. Ta-da! This is our surprise.
Oh, wow, this looks really special.
It's really special. Wait until you want to smell it first.
Yes. Wow, it smells very sweet.
It smells sweet.
I think so. Sweet and yeah.
Katanya baunya manis. Aku udah pernah coba bersama Deddy Corbuzier di acara Hitam Putih, terus sama Katura juga. Tapi kalau saya nggak mungkin bilang kalau cium rasanya manis. Okay, then let's try to open it. It's super spiny, right?
Yes.
Okay, now I will
and
hold
how?
it for you, and you just take it with your hand.
Okay.
It's a really cheesy, I guess, the texture.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Not the best texture, but let's see.
Okay, so
Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Go, Lara, try it.
so soft. So soft.
So soft? So, but what?
and
Besides soft, how is the taste?
It's good.
You like
I
it?
like it. Yeah.
Then you can have it.
You don't like it?
I tried it. It's like very unique for me. Not
unique, yeah,
I can't say I'm a really big fan. Here, you can have more.
Thank you so much for the big surprise.
But you know, I tried before with Tura. He's also a YouTuber. So he said like at some point he ate that much durian that he got fever after. So you can't eat really much.
Really?
Yeah, I mean like don't eat the whole thing.
Yeah, maybe it's not.
Jadi aku ceritain ke Lara, Katura pernah ceritain saya kalau mau nonton ya videonya sama Katura juga. Dia ceritain waktu dia kecil makan durian sampai dia demam. Kok bisa ya? Aku bilang ke Lara karena suka, awas jangan makan sampai demam. But you really like it?
Really? Yeah, I think it's a little bit sweet. Special taste, unique, but it's not bad.
It's not bad.
No.
Okay. Go ahead, eat more.
This one.
Okay, so Lara, because you like it, please keep eating.
Really?
You wanna have some more?
Yes, please.
Yes. Here.
I take maybe that one.
Okay, sure. Any.
Oh.
But really, the taste is sweet?
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
Yeah.
Okay, amazing. So,
Yeah.
after you are done with one side, I will teach you a secret as well.
Hey.
So you need to keep eating for that.
Why not?
Why not if you like it? Okay. I'll try to open it from this side now.
I'm so excited. What kind of secret?
You see? So, every year if you're coming to Indonesia, like usually for how long you're here every year?
Mostly for 3 weeks or 1 month.
3 weeks, 1 month?
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. Jadi aku tanya tadi Lara kalau biasa dia ke Indonesia berapa lama di sini dia stay. Dia bilang biasa kalau holiday 3 minggu sampai 1 bulan. But now you are not here only for holiday, right?
No.
No, then what are you doing here?
I'm here at work as model.
Oh, it's a model.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Same like me then.
Yes. Because of you.
You see? Very nice. So, ya jadi Lara model di Indonesia juga kali ini. So, for how long is your whole stay here this time?
5 months.
5 months. Wow. Hopefully next time even longer.
Yeah, hope so next year.
Next year.
But it's crazy cause I just phoned you the other day.
Okay, so because you're done eating, I will tell you the secret.
Okay.
After you are done eating the durian,
Yeah.
then if you put water, you know that this have this specific smell.
Yes, it is.
So if you drink water straight from here, they say that your mouth is not going to smell like durian.
Really? Let's
Jadi, aku ceritain ke Ana, ada mitos kalau minum air langsung dari tempat ini, tempat durian ini, kalau nanti minum airnya langsung dari sini, katanya mulutnya nanti nggak bau durian gitu. Jadi yuk kita coba, let's see. Is it going to work or not? Where you wanna drink from here, yeah? Because this is already cut.
Yeah.
Jadi minum dari sini.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, but there is some durian there.
So from where I can drink like
Up
this?
to you.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Dia mau coba yuk. Tastes like water.
But special, really.
Special, right?
I can feel, yeah. This is losing.
taste is losing. Oh, jadi rasanya itu mulai hilang. Yeah, that's a meat like
So special, amazing.
amazing ya.
I'm so surprised.
Jadi habis ini nggak usah sikat gigi lagi biar harumnya ganti. Jadi langsung, yay, amazing. You like my secret? So if you will come back to Indonesia or you wanna eat durian again, maybe you can do this again.
Yeah, of course. And I can share with other people.
You see?
New experience.
New experience. Jadi dia senang karena dapat info baru dan nanti dia kalau makan lagi udah tahu rahasianya makan durian. Amazing. So, what else? Yeah. How long have you been model for? Like beside Indonesia, you do modeling somewhere else also?
Yes, I do modeling in my country, in Switzerland, and also in Germany.
Oh, very nice. Jadi dia selain Indonesia, dia modeling di Switzerland dan di Germany juga.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah, Germany is much more easy to work as model.
Then in Indonesia or Switzerland, okay.
Because Switzerland people, they are, just like to book the same models. They're not interested about new faces, so.
Oh, I see. Jadi kalau klien-klien di Switzerland, Lara ceritain, mereka suka kayak itu modelnya selalu sama. Kalau mereka suka dan modelnya udah terkenal, mereka book cuman dia aja. Jadi mereka nggak terlalu interested di new face gitu. Jadi, so it's better in Indonesia, ya?
Yeah, much more better.
Much better, ya?
I don't have to be so tall. Yeah.
How tall are you?
Just 1,74 m.
Oh, jadi Lara tingginya cuma 174. Itu kalau dibuat di Eropa terlalu pendek. If in Europe usually the minimum is 175, right?
Yeah.
Jadi buat cewek di Eropa minimal buat modeling 175. Dia cuma 1 cm aja beda. Tapi ya sayangnya jadi susah kalau di Eropa, right? Like only 1 cm, but it makes it so
hard.
Yeah. Oke, jadi beginilah kita hari ini bersama Lara dari Switzerland. Lara, also maybe my followers or subscribers wanna look for you in Instagram.
Yes.
Then what is your Instagram and full name?
My full name is Lara von Kennel, and also you can find me in Instagram in this name.
Lara von Kennel, ya?
Yes.
So later nanti kita tadi bawa ini ya di deskripsi atau siapa tahu di layar juga. We will put the Instagram name. Oke, jadi kalau suka video ini jangan lupa subscribe,
Like and comment.
dan loncengnya juga ya. Terima kasih dan
Sampai jumpa.
di video selanjutnya. Dadah!